Sibingelela abazalwane ekuseni namhlanje kuyisonto siyabingelela wherever you're watching this from. Sanibingelela ngegama eliphakeme kaKristu Jesu. Amen. It is a wonderful day. Special greetings to all of our members as the Apostolic Faith Mission, our bishop, the lady bishop, the entire family, all the saints who are watching this channel namhlanje ekuseni enkonzweni yethu kuyisonto ekuseni. Siyanibingelela ngegama lika Jesu. Siyambonga uNkulunkulu ithuba esilithola namhlanje to once again fellowship with you. It's always a pleasure and an honor to be with you. Siyambonga kakhulu uNkulunkulu. Last week siyambonga uNkulunkulu, we had our bishop owekade esiphathele inkonzo yethu. Siyambonga kakhulu uNkulunkulu kakhulu. Siyambonga futhi uNkulunkulu nabazalwane who tuned in kwi-power hour yethu yangesonto eliphelele. Siyambonga kakhulu uNkulunkulu kani bazalwane. Ekuseni ke namhlanje kuyisonto yafisa sibukisane amazwi enkosi lawa bese siyathandaza. Namhlanje isifundo sethu sithatha encwadini kaJeremiah chapter number 29. Yafisa ukuba sifunde uverse number 5 sigcine kuverse number 7. La khona izwi lenkosi lithi, build houses and settle down, plant gardens and eat what they produce, marry and have sons and daughters. Find wives for your sons and give your daughters in marriage, so that they too may have sons and daughters. Increase in number, they do not decrease. Sibambe lapho Jeremiah loyo chapter 29. La sifunda khona izwi lenkosi bazalwana kafishane. uIsrayeli uthathwe noma isizwe saIsrael sithunjiwe sasuka sayesaya eBabylon saba ngaphansi kwesandla sika Nebuchadnezzar. So uNkulunkulu ke la usiyakhuluma ngomprofeti uJeremiah, thumela incwadi uyisa la kuthunjwe khona uIsrael ukuthi uNkulunkulu uthi lani khona ibani nabantwana nakhe ni expand nibe na yonke into, ama daughters enu athola abakhwenyana na yonke into as iverse lisho. Into engifisa sibuke namhlanje bazalwane indaba yokuthi uNkulunkulu noma mase kuthiwa nginikeza isihloko indaba yami ngathi ithi uNkulunkulu is expecting us to expand every day. uNkulunkulu is expecting us ukuba sibe bakhulu even under opposition. Ngamamazwi uNkulunkulu is expecting us ukuthi sikhule and be better even if the situation does not allow. Now ngiyabuka la ukuthi kunokuthi balwela ukuthi baphume bakhululwe, yena uNkulunkulu ukuthi they must expand, which means even during opposition or oppression, shall I say, must not make you relax. In other words, even if the circumstances were showing you ukuthi fanele ngabe isimo siyabheda, wena uthi uNkulunkulu wena you must expand, ungayeki ukuexpanda ngaso sonke isikhathi, uhlale uyakhona. Now ngiyanotice ke la ukuthi uNkulunkulu ke akayenzi noma akayisho into mawubheka yena noma ufunda imibhalo uthola ukuthi yena imhlulile akakwazanga ukuyenza. Mawubheka uNkulunkulu wakha umuntu wesilisa kuqala, iBhayibheli lithi ke mawufunda kahle uGenesis ukuthi uNkulunkulu wakha umuntu wesilisa nowesifazane kanye. Kodwa later on must iBhayibheli unpackela kahle bese liyazivezela ukuthi owesifazane wakhishwa later. In other words, kwakuyinto eyodwa, later on uNkulunkulu wabuye wabahlukanisa, kwase kuba khona umuntu wesibili sibehlukene. Iqaleni wayemakhe waba yedwa, later on wayeseyabahlukanisa. Now uma ubheka umuntu wesilisa, ngiyacabanga ukuthi uNkulunkulu mayebheka wayesho ukuthi hey, ngishayile ngakha lo muntu, this is beautiful, this is good, this is nice, inayo yonke into, lento inhle, kodwa you must wait until kube khona owesifazane. Mase sekuphuma owesifazane waphuma more refined, esemuhle kakhulu. Mawuthatha owesilisa nowesifazane akujwayelekile ukuthi umuntu wesilisa muhle, size siqhamuke neterminology yokuthi uyabukeka, because le creation eyenzeke after indoda, which is a female, yona yayisiba more refined, yaba inhle kakhulu kunaloko kwenzekile, because uNkulunkulu into ayenzisona nazoyenza kusasa is greater azoyenza kusasa kuneyizona, because God is always expecting us to be better than what we were yesterday. If you look at people nje kunohlobo labantu noma iy'nhlanga zabantu esakhula kuthiwa lolu hlanga labantu ave lulumbi noma lolu hlanga labantu ave bemile kambi noma lolu hlanga labantu kodwa nje kunezici esasizisho kubona kodwa as we grow size sisho manje uthi hayibo lolu hlobo nje labantu excuse me have seluluhle but you ask yourself ukuthi yini eshintshile because labantu basuka nama genes abo kulelu zabasuka kulona beza la eSouth Africa. Paul, what has changed? Can food change our genes? What has changed? No. Ukuthi uNkulunkulu every time yonke into efikayo iba ngcono kuneyizolo. Mawuqhubeka futhi lento siyithatha a step further. Uma uthatha izingane zakuqala nezingane zamanje, uma ngase kuthiwa ikhona indlela yokureverse iage yami. Ngiseyingane bese ngiyise ku-age yomuntu ona 5 years manje bese uthi akube khona i-debate I can assure you ukuthi i-debate lo muntu angangibhitha if ngiza ngalo 5 years wami wakudala because i-knowledge nokuhlakanipha kwengane kwamanje kudlula lokwakuqala ngike ngishockeke if I look at umsebenzi wengane yami encane uthola ukuthi ikhuluma ngento thina esayifunda mhlambe ka grade 11 yena kodwa ukhuluma ngayo ka grade 4. Then I realized ukuthi no abantu baba ngokuba ngcono usuku nosuku abantu baya ngokuba ngcono usuku nosuku ngivamisile noma ngake ngenza umzekeliso ngelinye ilanga ngithi mina uma ufuna ukubona ukuthi usasohlelweni kaNkulunkulu noma usaya progressa ngendlela uNkulunkulu ahlele ngayo one of the tests that you can do for yourself ukuthi uthathe isithombe sakho washoota 10 years ago mase usiqhathanisa nesithombe sakho osishuthe izolo and if you find ukuthi esayizolo simbi kunalesa 10 years ago you must know there's a problem impilo yakho is going behind noma is going back ayiphambili kodwa mawuzibuka esithombeni sa 10 years ago you always look at yourself and say how am I able ngangaba mumbi kanje noma ngangaba isithithithi kanje ingubo esiyigqokayo mawubheka ingubo esakhula siyigqoka nesiyigqoka manje sivele sihleke ngike ngihleke at some point amasuti engangithengelwa wona ayemakhulu yonke into kodwa manje sesigqoka amasuti asilingana kahle ngamanye amazwi izinto nje nezempilo uNkulunkulu zenza zibe ngcono kunezayizona because God is always expecting us to expand. Now lana ke sifunda khona namhlanje sithola ilesson yokuthi God is not only expecting us to expand ngoba naku ama situations as favor. No, he is expecting us to expand. Even nangalesikhathi izimo zingavumi uNkulunkulu is expecting us to expand noma ngabe kuthiwa isituation ibheke phansi kangakanani kodwa uNkulunkulu yena ulindele ukuthi expansion ayibe khona. I can imagine ukuthi how hectic was this for Israel ukuthi uNkulunkulu athi abashade bona bafuna ukuphuma bahambe yena uNkulunkulu ukuthi no mina ngifuna ni expand lapho ukuze maniphuma ningaphumi nithi you see uNkulunkulu ngicabanga ukuthi wengafuni ukuthi kube khona isikhathi labe khona nangu 10 years noma 10 years olahleke sithunjiwe no ufuna ukuthi noma kuxoxe ukuthi ku-exile sakusaya ku-exile kodwa kuxoxe osibani bani bazalelwa khona osibani bani bagraduate khona osibani bani bathola amakhosikazi khona because God is always expecting you to expand every day. Now iproblem esinayo bazalwane ukuthi hayi amakholwa ayayisaba into expander amakholwa are very quick to reach a comfort zone. Amakholwa are very quick to accept into of substandard. Amakholwa are very quick to accept a situation by gqoke. Ufica umuntu esegqoka isituation, hayi phela sithunjiwe ayikho into esingayenza, hayi phela kuvaliwe ayikho into esingayenza, hayi phela kuyadilizwa ayikho into esingayenza, hayi phela izimo libheke phansi ayikho into esingayenza. But I want to tell you this morning, ukuthi even during difficult times, but God is expecting us to expand. God is expecting us to be better than yesterday. God is expecting our tomorrow to be better than today. Ngamanye amazwi lento umuntu ngabuza ukuthi then how do I expand? Isimo better kangaka. I-expansion has to start emqondweni wakho. You will never realize expansion le ngikhuluma ngayo uma umqondo wakho ungakalungiseki. Izwi lenkosi lithi we must never conform to the standards of this world. Bese lithi uNkulunkulu libese lithi but let God transform your mind. Ukuthi ukwazi ukunderstanda intando yakhe. ngawe. In other words, your mind has to change. Your mind has to be transformed. You see umehluko phakathi kwethu nabantu abangakholwa ukuthi thina lezi nofanele qale sizi-accept because they are there. uNkulunkulu mathi ufuna expand, it's not because i-provision akayisenzile ukuthi kuphela ulinde ukuthi wena expand in your mind. Once you expand in your mind, then abantu bese beyayibona. You see, ifaith bazalwane yilento ukuthi into uyifinalize emqondweni wakho uyiqede mase uyayiphila ingakenzeki. Abantu bethi bekubuka bethi kwaphila i-expansion kodwa ingenzeki. No, it's because when you understand ukuthi it is the expectation of God ukuthi si-expand. God will never expect us to expand if the opportunities are not there. God will never expect us to do something if he has no provision. We expect expansion simply because he has made the provision. But all we need to do, we need to step into this provision so that we can expand. We need to embrace the provision. Then we then need to expand. But ayenzeki uma umqondo wakho usaqhakaziswa izinto oyibona ku TV. Ayenzeki uma umqondo wakho usaqhakaziswa into oyitshelwa ama journalist. Awenzeki uma umqondo wakho usaconvinced into oyitshelwa oso science. Ayenzeki uma usatshelwa abantu ukuthi awulutho ukholwa ngempela. Ayenzeki uma usabheka ama surroundings ukuthi indawo engihlala kuyona akekho umuntu ongacabanga kanje. You've got to allow God to transform your mind. Abantu baze bathi ukuze bethi your dreams are just too big for this place. You must know then you are doing the plan kaNkulunkulu, because your dreams can never be smaller than where you are, because that's not expansion. If you are dreaming into encane kunala ukhona ngakabe expansion kusayi planning leyo. But when you start dreaming, into abazothi mabeyibuka abantu uma uyichaza babuke nendawo ohlala kuyona bathi the two does not match. How can you dream into enkulu bakutshela ukuthi abantu abahlala la bacabanga wake wahlala nabantu othi mawetshele ngedream yakho bahleke bese bephume sebekunika igama ukuthi nangu uBhanoyi ngoba uthi uzoba neBhanoyi. You know why bekhuluma kanjalo? It's because in the area abahlala kuyona bakholwa ukuthi bagcinaziwe iBhanoyi alikho ku setup yabo, bese uyabatshela ukuthi no, I'm expanding nala ngikhona because I know ukuthi noma ngabe kubonakala ngi-oppressed, but I know ukuthi uNkulunkulu has assured me ukuthi nama kuthiwa ngicindezelwe kangakanani kodwa I have to expand. Futhi siyambonga uNkulunkulu ngoJesu ukuthi manje even nabantu asebefuna, you see, before abantu babekwazi ukupture Israel bamenza ama-slaves because everything was physical. Into eyenza ukuthi oppression ibe physical ukuthi vele yonke into yayi-physical. So uIsrael mewambamba sesivalelekile isizwe sikaJehova. Kodwa njengamanje uJesu wafika empilweni zethu, wafika icollapse yonke lento physical. Ingakho manje sesikwazi ukuthi ngeke basakwazi ukusoppress, abasakwazi ukusibamba physical but bas-oppress, because vele lento isiyasuka ukuthi ibe physical yathatha yafakwa ey'nhliziyweni zethu. But iproblem ilana, although singasekho physically oppressed, but what is happening, our minds are still oppressed. Ufica umuntu umqondo wakho usacabanga izinto ey'ndala ey'bolile, because noma esephumile physical uNkulunkulu wamkhipha entweni physical wahlatshwa iwundlu ngenxa yakho ukuze siphume entweni physical sibe, kodwa ufica umuntu still usaboshwe kuleyo. Kunabantu, let me tell you something, kunabantu abagcina ukuthandaza hlazane kuvalwa amasonto because basaba nje into physical. Nakuba sesa-transforma sakhishwa etempelini eli-physical, itempeli lavalelwa ngaphakathi kuthini ngeke azathandaze because ukholwa ukuthi yena kusafanele kuvulwa amasonto. Kade sagcina ukudla ngoba kade, yes, make no mistake, we miss the fellowship. Make no mistake, we miss the fellowship. But I want to tell you ukuthi itempeli leli esinjahile into siyasuswa khona yafaka ey'nhliziyweni zethu. Uma usacabanga ukuthi wena lento izozibe physical usafana nomuntu oppressed. Uma ucabanga ukuthi lento iyoze kwenzeke ngoba sesize sakuphusha wawa phansi bese kuyima wayithola. Uma ukholwa ukuthi into zakho itholakala uma usubuyisiwe waze walimala, I want to tell you ukuthi you are still oppressed. But namhlanje I invite you ukuthi allow God to transform your mind. Bonke abantu balinda ukuthi into bayoze bayithole ngoba sebeye esontweni kodwa bavuka ekseni bathi no, God is expecting us to expand. But emsebenzini we are retrenching you because we can't afford to pay you. Uphuma uthi ngiyabonga kodwa ungene ekhaya uthi Nkosi, yesterday bengila kodwa ngiyabonga ukuthi kusasa ngizobe ngila, because when you have an expectation yokuthi mina kufanele ngi-expand, don't allow the devil ukuthi akufake kwi-oppression noma sesakhulula. Don't allow the devil to spin your mind. Usathane ukakuhlalisa ubusuku nemini ngenkinga encane edinga ukuthi uphenduke ubheke kuJehova uthi Nkosi, when we are expecting us to expand noma izimo zibheda, don't allow the devil to make you cry for something osuwayinqoba. Don't allow the devil to make you fight battles that you have already won. But all you need to do is to wake up and say, today, this is the day that the Lord has made, and I know that I shall expand. Ungene embhedeni ulala uthi Baba siyabonga ukuthi sibakhulu namhlanje ebusuku nasekuseni. Baba sesiyalala, siyabonga futhi kusasa ekuseni ukuthi sobe sibakhulu kunasekuseni malishona ilanga. Ngamanye amazwi, when you wake up, you must declare greatness. When you sleep, you must thank God for the greatness. You wake up, you declare greatness. Athi uSathane ngokukudla uthi siyabonga ukuthi sodla kangcono kusasa kunayizona. Athi uSathane imali siyaphela uthi siyabonga ntambama imali izobe. You've got to believe God for expansion. Now, iproblem enkulu ke ngabazalwane ukuthi uNkulunkulu bamlindela ukuthi uzovela ngalendlela le abacabanga ngayo bona. When you don't have food in your fridge, ucabanga ukuthi uNkulunkulu uzovela ngokuthi uzongena imali ebhenki bese uthenga ukudla. But most ufike le level yokutransform umqondo wakho, uzwakala usuthi I don't know ngizoyithatha apha inandosi kodwa kusasa ntambama ngizobe ngidla inandosi. Athi umuntu kanjani ngoba usebenza khona imali yakhe ezongena? Uthi no, God is expecting me to expand. Angikwazi ukudla leli iplate elifana nalezi zonke into, I've got to expand. Athi uthi umuntu ngeke ngisayikumanje ngisayigqoka impahla nje sengifuna ukugqoka impahla nje. Athi umuntu khona umsebenzi uzutholela uthi no, God is expecting me to expand. Uyahlupha umzalwane olinda uNkulunkulu uzoqhamuka ngaleli khona, because iBhayibheli lami lithi God's ways are unsearchable. Ngeke uze understand. Mawulinda ukuthi uzoqhamuka ngenhla uqhamuka eceleni. Mawulinda uzoqhamuka ngami uqhamuka ngento engajwayelekile. Mawulinda uzoqhamuka ngomuntu omjwayele lethe umuntu ongamazi. Mawulinda ukuthi uzoqhamuka ezimali uqhamuka nesolution. Mawulinda ukuthi uzofika nomuntu uthumela amagwababa, because his ways are unsearchable. Awukwazi ukuthi sengimlocate uNkulunkulu ngiyamazi uzoqhamuka nje. No, but what you need to do is to allow him to transform your mind. Bese ukwazi ukubona ukuthi intando yakhe ingakanani ngempilo yakho. Bese ukwazi ukubona ukuthi zingakanani izinto akuhlelele zona akubekele zona ukuthi uphile ngazo. You see, until your mind is transformed, you will always live under oppression. Noma ungasafasiwe, uyawazi ulamthuthu osuhleli ngoba wakwafaswa. Ibandla likaNkulunkulu is suffering from that. Just because uSathane, noma just because there was oppression before, noma usudedeliwe kodwa ufana nenkukhu ewulamthuthu efasiwe noma isiqaqewe ngeke iziphume, because yazi ukuthi isafasiwe. Manje inkinga ke ngicabanga ukuthi mangabe sikhuluma ngokufaswa sikhuluma ngokuthi sekuphysical. No, I'm talking about your mind. You know your mind which is your biggest setback. You know ukuthi umqondo wakho iwona ohlala ungarest. You know umqondo wakho uhlala ucabanga izinto ezinegative, and you know ukuthi umqondo wakho iwona okusanganisayo. Awukwazi ukufocus. Umqondo wakho ukukuthwebule ubuka iTV ulahleke uthola ukuthi umuntu nibuka na iTV kanti umqondo usuhambile ucabanga ingca. Kodwa abantu abazosurvive, abantu abazothi uSathane mangabe bakukhumbuza ukuthi kusasa yikho imali yokugibela angene embhedeni athi ngiyabonga ukuthi namhlanje ngimncane kunakusasa ngoba kusasa ngobe ngimkhulu, because uNkulunkulu la leli verse esilitholayo akabanikezi igebha abantwana bakaIsrael ukuthi bareste ngoba bathunjiwe, kodwa uthi even kwi-exile. Ngiyacabanga kuhlelwa imishado kubantu abathunjiwe, kodwa ngalaba bathi sophuma ngelinye ilanga kodwa ngalaba bayashada. I'm sure kwakuyimessage yayimdida noNebukadnezar ukuthi ngempela yini lento eyenzakalayo ukuthi labantu bathunjiwe kodwa still bona baqhubeka nokuthi bafuna ukuexpand. Ushada kanjani ezweni la uthi wena uzophuma khona ngelinye ilanga? No, ingoba uNkulunkulu ufuna ba-expand. Lithi iBhayibheli lami ngelinye ilanga uFaro wathatha isinqumo la eAfrika ukuthi ama-Israelites ayesekhula kakhulu, wase decide ukuthi abanikeze umsebenzi onzima ukuze bangazali kakhulu. Lithi iBhayibheli the more he oppressed them, lithi la abantu akhona kakhulu. Kusho ukuthi uNkulunkulu uyithatha serious lento expansion. Ngesikhathi bepresswa kuthiwa bathukuma kancane. Futhi mina mangiyibuka lento ngamehlami, it makes sense ukuthi abantu besithunjiwe kufanele bangande babe bancane. Kodwa ngamehlo kaNkulunkulu wathi no, they must expand because angifuni ukuthi kube kuthiwa ination isiyashoda because bake bathunjwa. I do not want ukuthi kube khona ama traces ukuthi alikho ilanga la expandanga khona. I want to tell you namhlanje kuseni sesithandaza ukuthi it is not the plan of God ukuthi ngoba naka isimo sinje wena fanele ukupresseleke phansi. It is not the plan of God ukuthi ngoba naka isimo sibheke phansi kanje wena fanele ukuhlala ukuthi ngilije isimo sesiphele. But it is the plan of God ukuthi noma uSathane ethi uyacindezela noma izimo zithi ziyacindezela zithi ziyaqeda ngempilo yakho uthi noma ngipressekile kubhlungu kodwa what I know ukuthi God is expecting me to expand. But back press, the more you press me, you must know that's the more I'm going to expand. Because the more kuba khona opposition, ila khona sinamandla kakhulu. You see, more press spring. Asiyona ingozi spring. Mangabe ungasinyathela. Kodwa sinyathela. Ubona ukuthi mase sidedela kuzokwenzakalani. In other words, when the situation is pressing us, umuntu alindele usokhala, umtshela ukuthi you'll see ukuthi masiqeda sobe sikuphi. Athi uyakupress umuntu ukuthi you'll see ukuthi mawuqeda sobe sikuphi. Now let me tell you something inhlosi. Ngesikhathi usipress spring wehla naso. Ubona ngathi uyasinqoba. Ngesikhathi usipress ushona phansi. Ubona ngathi uyasinqoba. Usicindezela ukuthi ngesikhathi uyasinqoba. Sona sikuyahleka sithi keep on pressing because once you lift your feet or your foot, you will see kuzokwenzakalani. Ispring espress kancane sigxuma kancane, but once pressa kakhulu sigxuma kakhulu. The more you press umntwana kaNkulunkulu wena ucabanga ukuthi uyamqeda kanti awazi ukuthi more honey and milk is coming out. Ngesikhathi upress but we realize that usoyirealize if you allow God to transform your mind ukuthi kuthi trouble wena ubone opportunity ukuthi wena ngesikhathi abantu bekhala wena ubone injabulo. Bathi abantu befa ngapha nangapha wena ubona ukuphila. Bathi abantu kuyasibhedela wena ubona ku right. Ubona abantu bexabana wena ulethe peace because umcabango womuntu osushintshiwe ubheka iopportunity ukuthi kulento bengipressa kuyona how can I expand. Bese uyabatshela ukuthi the more you press me the more I'm going to expand. I want to challenge you this morning ukuthi allow God to change your mind. Allow God ukuthi umvumele uNkulunkulu ukuthi expand bese uyaqhalela intweni eyihlehlele emuva kodwa bese usondele kweziya phambili uyikhulume lento abantu baze bakuhleke uyikhuluma uzube yihlaya uthi kusasa ngizobe ngimkhulu kunayizolo. Athi umuntu njani uthi ngcono kunayizolo. Athi umuntu ukhamba kanjani uthi kule nyanga ngcono kakhulu because I'm better than that man because God is expecting you to expand. Don't allow the devil ukuthi kusabise ukuthi bakupress. Tell them the more you press me you must know the day ususunyawo I will expand ngidlula unyawo lakho uNkulunkulu akubusise. Amen. Greeting once again, it's Pastor Zweli Dlamini here. God is expecting us to expand. Akana ndaba nama situations ukuthi anzima ngakanani. As we've seen last Sunday khona ukuthi uIsrael wayilinde incwadi Miss Prophet esithi niyaphuma this week noma niyaphuma next week. Kwafika incwadi ethi noma nibanjiwe niboshiwe you are expected to expand. Ngamamazi uNkulunkulu ulindele ukuthi expand. Yabo kuleli sonto masik-add ngesonto elilandelayo minus fanele sithole umehluko positive because God is expecting us to expand. I want you to meditate this week ngale nto engikhuluma ngayo and I want you to practice it. I challenge you to practice it. Wake up in the morning, confess what I'm saying. Step out of the bed and say, I'm going to expand. Step out of the bed, out of your car and say, I'm going to be better than when I come back. Emini bahlangana nawe athi umuntu ukhamba kanjani uthi ngcono kunasekuseni. And I want you to say noma ungakaboni until your mind is transformed. Bese kuyima ubona intando kaNkulunkulu enhle empilo yakho. Don't forget, uNkulunkulu is expecting you to expand. And unfortunately, he even knows your situation, but he is still expecting you to expand. Force yourself to expand ngayo yonke indlela at all cost. Yonke into obhekene nayo ungavumi ukuthi isimo sikwenza unga-expand unqabe noma bakuthiwa isimo sibheke phansi kanjani uthi kodwa mangithole nje 1% ukuthi ngibe ngcono kunayizolo I would have fulfilled intando kaNkulunkulu. God is expecting you to expand. uNkulunkulu akakubusiseke. Thank you for tuning in. Siyabonga kakhulu. Ungakhohlwa ukuthi ufollowe onke ama channels ethu. futhi ungakhohlwa ukuthi tune in ngoLwesithathu ngo-6 ntambama la khona sobe sine power hour simeme ingcezu zikaNkulunkulu sidingida indaba zasezulwini. Don't forget, kuyashisa kakhulu. I can tell you things are happening this Wednesday. I've got good guests who are coming. Sizobe sidingida wana futhi indaba nje sikhuluma ngesonto eliphelile. So ungakhohlwa 6 o'clock, set a reminder ukuthi ngo-6 ntambama you tune in. And then on Saturday 5 a.m. eTsheli Mnyama in our Tsheli Mnyama branch. I invite you ngo-5 a.m. la khona sobe sizokhuleka khona sithi Ebenezer wena Nkosi silondile kwaze kwaba la. Ungakhohlwa 5 a.m. As you know ukuthi numbers are limited, I invite you ukuthi be early ukuze ungasitholi usuphelelwa indawo. 5 a.m. Tsheli Mnyama sobe sithi Ebenezer. God bless you.